Hey guys, I'm back for a car video. I need to clean it out, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how messy it is, and then when we're done, you get to see how clean it is. As a minimalist, it's really important for me that I keep my car looking clean and free of any clutter, and right now it's pretty cluttered and it's stressing me out. So if I want to remove that stress, I'm just gonna clean my car. I used to clean my car like every week, but that hasn't been possible. Today's the day. Nobody's home, no distractions. Let's do this. I'm super proud of my car. I take a lot of pride in keeping it clean. I always get excited when I have a chance to clean it out. Alright, so I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of how my car looks. Bunch of crap right in here. A lot of my clutter goes there. Got my jean jacket, a bag with who knows what, clothes, shoes, need to vacuum it, a whole bunch of books, and some crackers and trail mix. And I got stuff in the pocket there, got stuff in this pocket here, drinks galore. So we went to the zoo, the kids and I went to the zoo, and I've got some goat feed right there. Like, why is there goat feed in my car? Yeah. So I cannot wait to clean this baby out. I'm not even gonna show you the trunk. It's a disaster. Just a plain disaster.
It's just so warm my head. I give it time, but it never seems to end. I feel a fire in the back of my throat, so let's get covered in flames and play some games with the smoke. He said, don't you try to run right now, 'cause baby, I could burn you down. Yeah, can make your way into my veins, goes right through my limbs and take your way into my brain. So walk into a room, I can't help myself and the things that you do. Oh, you're killing me right now. You're killing me right now. I think it's time you're burning down. Oh, I love the things we do when it's just me and you. I'm burning up, oh, I'm burning up. The game's in my mind. I see your face, an apparition, and I was changed, shape-shifting. Don't wanna open my eyes.
Finished cleaning it out. I had to stop the time lapse a little early because the camera was getting overheated, but as you could see, I got all the garbage and put it in this bag right here. That's all the garbage that was in the car, and then vacuumed it out with a shop vac, which is my best friend when it comes to cleaning my car. I love it. And then I just wiped the windows down with I put it in the trunk already. It's just a power glass cleaner that I picked up at the gas station. That's my process for cleaning my car, and let me show you the difference it made. Front view, as you can see, no longer anything right here, just my keys. I wiped everything down so it looks pretty free of dust. Seats look impeccable. floor is empty. Look at that. Just got my umbrella for when I need it. And actually, the glove compartment was actually pretty organized because one of the boys I watch decided, as he was sitting in the front seat, I think it was stressing him out how much clutter I had up there. He gets stressed very easily. He just took to organizing that for me, which I love him for that. One last thing I had to do. And then the back seat, nothing in there. Looks good. Yeah. I feel so good about this. Just so good. I feel like I can breathe a little. Tell me something that you guys do to relieve some stress in your everyday lives. Me, I clean my car. What do you do?